SuperVPN fast VPN client app overview. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm going to tell you a app. It's called SuperVPN. So you can see 4.3 rating out of 5 and 3 million reviews and 11 megabyte size of the app. It's too light, and the good thing is 100 million plus people already downloaded this app. So this is really amazing app. This is the top search rank. If you search on Google Play Store, then you can. So you can find this app from Google Play Store or App Store. You can search here, and after that you can join here. And if you want to see, then you can see connect. It is really easy. After installing in your device, you just log in and just simply tap on the connect, then it will be connected. Okay, it's really easy. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.